Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up TikTok Studio background on PC. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in. And now right after that you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the TikTok apps on in the screen, where you can see the upload button at top right corner. Just click over there and you'll be redirected to the official TikTok Studio page. So to add background, let's upload a video first. So simply click on select video. Now once your video is uploaded, you need to scroll a little bit down and you'll be able to see the edit video option this time to go over the screen. So once you click over there, now you at the left side you'll be able to see the templates option. You simply need to click over there and you can choose any of the background as you want, and you'll be able to set up TikTok Studio background successfully. So basically this is how you can set up TikTok Studio background on PC, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, quickly leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.